What temperature should the oven be set to when cooking a 10-pound ham?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a staple in many special occasions, the ham. In particular, we're focusing on how to set the right oven temperature for cooking a 10-pound ham. If done correctly, you'll be rewarded with a juicy, flavorful centerpiece for your feast.
What type of ham do you have?
The first question to answer is your ham pre-cooked or uncooked? This is crucial as it affects the oven temperature and cooking time. Pre-cooked hams are already safe to eat. They can be served cold, but most people prefer them warmed up. Uncooked hams, on the other hand, need to be cooked thoroughly to ensure they're safe to eat.
The ideal oven temperature.
For a pre-cooked 10-pound ham, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. This low temperature allows the ham to warm up without drying out. If you're cooking an uncooked 10-pound ham, you'll need a higher temperature. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. This will ensure the ham cooks thoroughly.
How long should you cook the ham?
Knowing the right cooking time is just as important as setting the right temperature. A general guideline for pre-cooked ham is to heat it for about 12 to 15 minutes per pound. So, a 10-pound ham will need approximately 2 to 2.5 hours. For an uncooked ham, aim for 20 to 25 minutes per pound. For a 10-pound ham, that's roughly 3.5 to 4.25 hours. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius. There you have it. Now you know the optimal oven temperatures for baking a 10-pound ham, whether it's pre-cooked or uncooked. Remember, the key to a great ham is patience. Slow and low is the way to go for juicy, flavorful results. Happy cooking!